Hi all, welcome back to another JavaScript coding challenge. The challenge for today's video is spam detector. Given a phone number in the format where each letter represents a digit as follows. A represents the country code and can be any number of digits. Triple B represents the area code and will always be 3 digits. Triple C and 4 digits represent the local number and will always be 3 and 4 digits long respectively. Determine if it's a spam number based on the following criteria. Okay, if the country code is greater than 2 digits long or doesn't begin with a 0, then it's a spam number. If the area code is greater than 900 or less than 200, then it's a spam number. If the sum of first 3 digits of the local number appears within last 4 digits of the local number, that means if the sum of this number presents as a digit of last 4 digits, then it's a spam number. The number has the same digit 4 or more times in a row, then the number is a spam number. Okay, these are the conditions to detect a number is a spam or not. Now let's get into the solution. Okay, the first thing is split the phone number into parts. Okay, let parts equal to number split and then pass regular expression as a delimiter. Okay, here I'm passing first is plus space parenthesis and hyphen. Okay, now the delimiters, we entered delimiters as regular expression. Okay, after splitting the word or the number, we want to remove any empty strings. For that I'm using here filter along with a boolean as callback function. Okay, filter along with boolean will remove any false strings, that is empty strings, null, anything. So we get at the end of this, after executing this line of code, we get all numbers, no empty characters or empty strings. Okay, now after this, let's check for the first condition, that is country code. For that, if parts, okay, if parts of 0 dot length greater than 2, that means if the country code length is greater than 2, then it's a spam number. So simply, sorry, return true. So after this, the second condition is if the country code doesn't begin with a 0, then also the number is a spam. For that, let's add a condition. For that, let's simply copy this and then extract the number at 0 position. If it's not equal to 0, then it's a spam number. Okay, we should keep here string. Why? Because the elements of array are in the string format. Okay, now simply return true. Now let's go for the third condition, that is the area code is greater than 900 or less than 200. For that, let's add a condition, okay, to check if the area code is greater than 900 or less than 200. For that, first let's get the convert the area code into number. For that, area code equals to, area code is there in the parts of 1, so it's available at index 1. Okay, and then to convert this into number, simply use number function. Okay, number function, this gives the number of, or it will convert this string into number. Now let's check for the condition. If area code is greater than 900 or area code is less than 200, then the number is a spam. So return true. So now the fourth condition, that is the sum of first three digits of the local number appears within last four digits of the local number. Okay, for that first get the sum. Okay, for that first get the sum of first three digits of local number. For that let sum equal to, okay, the first three digits of local number is in available in parts of 2. Okay, parts of 2. Here let's split to get the numbers. Okay, split. After that use reduce method to get the sum. Reduce. Okay, I'm going to pass a comma b. Here a plus number of b. We are converting the from string to number. Okay, to get the sum. Now this gives you the sum of first three digits of local code. Okay, local number. Now what we have to do is we should check whether this sum is appears within last four digits of the local number. For that let's add condition, that is if parts of 3 last four digits available in parts of 3 dot includes. Now we have to convert this sum into string again. Why? Because this array, this is string, right? So if you want to search inside a string array, then we should convert into string. So string of sum. Okay, string of sum. If it is true, then return true. This is the fourth condition. Now the fifth condition is check if the number has the same digit 4 or more times in a row. If that is the case, then also the given number is spam. Okay, for that what I'm going to do is first I will clean or I will remove all non-digits from the given number, and then I will apply regular expression to check whether the any digit appear 4 or more times in a row. For that first let remove all non-digits from the given number. For that the regular expression, or I mean your method we are going to use is replace and then pass regular expression, that is, okay, slash caps d globally replace with empty string. This will remove all non-digits from the phone number. Okay, now let's check for the if any number appear or any digit appear 4 or more times. For that the condition is if, okay, if any number appears more than 1. Here I am using regular expression to check for the same. Okay, this entire regular expression checks this, I mean this dot inside parenthesis is nothing but take single digit at a time and then check if it's more than 4 times appear in the what I can say number. For that what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use test method, test and then pass ra. Okay, this entire condition checks for if any digit appear 4 or more times in a row. Now if it's the case, then simply return true. That means if any digit appear more than 4 times, the given number is a spam. Now if none of the conditions matched, then it's a not spam. Then in that case simply return false. Okay, so we now completed our solution covering all conditions, given conditions, to check for given number is a spam or not. Now let's run test cases and then see whether our solution is working as expected or not. Okay, click on it. See, all of our test cases passed. If you see here, we have around 8 test cases. All test cases successfully passed. So our solution is working as expected. Okay. Let me explain the solution again. Here we first cleaned or split our number to get the each, that is country code, area code, local numbers into a array, and then we use that array to check for all conditions. Okay. After all conditions, if none of them match, then we simply return false, saying that the given number is not a spam. Okay. That is the solution for this challenge. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe for more technical videos. Thank you for watching.